20,000 यूरो MBA की डिग्री के लिए आज के टाइम पे पकड़ के चलो, GRE और GMAT है वो हर कोई नहीं मांग रहा है। जब भी आप MBA की यूनिवर्सिटी सिलेक्ट करोगे, ऑलवेज चेक की Alright guys, so welcome back once again. Today's video is super important. If you're somebody new to my channel, my name is Nikhilesh and I live here in Berlin. Good thing is both of us are MBA graduates. Actually, he's about to graduate. Have you graduated? You graduated, right?
Yeah.
I have also graduated MBA. So we have that credibility to talk about this topic. But before I jump into today's video and the nitty-gritties of MBA in Germany, is it even worth it? Why don't you give us your introduction first to my audience?
My name is Siddesh Indulkar. I came here in January 2023. I did my master's in finance. Then I have 4 to 5 years of work experience in India. Like I was working as a wealth manager in India in ICICI Bank, and after that I thought like I have to take big step like international exposure. I wanted to pursue international exposure, so that's why I came to Germany in January 23.
Alright, so that was his profile. But just to clarify, what was your total work experience before coming to Germany?
I have 5 years of work experience.
Okay.
I was working as a equity advisor for 3 years and then 2 years as a wealth manager.
So my very straightforward question to you is it, in your experience, of course, is it worth doing MBA in this country?
Yeah, actually.
What are your top 3 points? Why?
Yes, definitely. See, like in India, MBA is not like people didn't consider MBA as a high profile kind of thing, because all people are following similar kind of pattern, like all people are doing MBA. But here actually MBA have worth. People are respecting, people are actually admiring person who is holding the MBA degree here, at least. In my experience, as soon as I finish my MBA, there are lots of job opportunities are there. Only issue is that German. If you can speak German fluently, then lots of options are there. Like you have to select the job opportunities. In case if you are quite fluent in German, and in my case, I just finished my A2. I'm in that process, so I find quite difficult to find the job here. But if you are a good German speaker or fluent in German, then you have lots of opportunities here as a MBA, because people are really appreciating that skill.
Okay, cool. So I will quickly run you through एक MBA यूनिवर्सिटी में requirement क्या होती है, based on the experience I've had, traveling across length and breadth of Germany. Germany में MBA जहाँ पर भी सिखाया जा रहा है या management, let's say, you have to pay money. Simple as that. So in case if you came across Germany has a free education and all of a sudden you saw, let's say for example TU Munich, right? One of the top-notch universities in the world has an MBA course, and by the way the cost there is almost 30,000 plus.
Correct.
For MBA. So for you to know कि अगर एजुकेशन फ्री है, कहीं सुना है MBA फ्री नहीं मिलेगा, दैट्स गारंटीड. फॉर श्योर यू हैव टू पे सम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. सो दैट्स विथ ट्यूशन फीस. ट्यूशन फीस कैन रेंज यूजुअली बिटवीन लेट्स से 14,000 यूरोज से लेके कैन गो ऑल द वे अप टू 45,000 यूरोज. आई नो सम यूनिवर्सिटीज व्हिच आर कॉस्टिंग दैट हाई. विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द रिक्वायरमेंट पार्ट, द प्रीमियम यूनिवर्सिटीज विल ऑलवेज आस्क यू फॉर GMAT. So GMAT score of 650 plus is required. Otherwise, beside having GMAT, they need minimum 3 years of degree. Grades somewhere down the line, I have not seen professors being so picky about कि मेरे को इतना grade चाहिए तो ही लूँगा, because you're paying money. And second thing, they're also looking at your overall profile, right? What have you written in your SOP? How many letter of recommendations have you given? Minimum work experience की requirement भी है, which is of at least 2 to 3 years. Minimum. इतना होना चाहिए work experience, full time का. Internship वाला नहीं. IELTS होना चाहिए. IELTS में आपको चाहिए around 6.5 and above, preferably 7 overall. GMAT मैंने बता दिया. If not GMAT, then give GRE as well. I know some engineering students who want to jump into management studies या MBA. GRE would be worth it. There could be times where university is making you go through a pre-masters. हो सकता है अगर आपका bachelor's was not into business, university may make you go through 1 semester of pre-masters. This could happen, और उसके लिए आपको पैसा भी देना पड़ता है. तो जहाँ 14,000 यूरो ट्यूशन फीस हो रहा था पूरे 3 सेमेस्टर के MBA का, अब वो हो सकता है 20,000 हो जाए. Could happen, So these are general requirements to get into any MBA university in this country, right?
Not every university required GRE
or GMAT. Right.
Like some private universities, but yeah, they require 2 years of work experience at least.
Yeah, हाँ, ये I think thanks for clarifying that. So जो GRE और GMAT है वो हर कोई नहीं मांग रहा है. But there is a good portion of universities जो मांग रहे हैं, तो आप ये समझ लो कि उनका वो प्रीमियम स्कूल है, उनका ट्यूशन फीस भी ज्यादा है और उनके नखरे भी ज्यादा है to get you in. ठीक है. So just so you know, there are universities where you didn't have to give GMAT, right? You just
No, yeah.
you just gave your 5 साल का experience certificate.
I provided 5 years of work experience, and then my score from 12th, like at least my university required minimum 60% at least in every part of your studies.
How much money have you spent total अभी तक? Tuition fees plus 2 साल का cost of living पकड़ के पूरा बताना, एक rough estimation.
So yeah, so 18,000 euro, 18 to 20,000 euro, 20,000 euro. Total, because my fees is 9,000 euro. My course is quite different. Like I did 6 months in India and then rest 1 year here in Germany. So I have to pay for 1 year only. So it's 8,000 euro for 1 year, and block account I have to put 11,000 to 12,000 euro in my block account. That's how like 20,000 euro.
20,000 euros.
20,000 euro.
बट आइडियल सिनेरियो में बताऊं, बिकॉज इन्होंने एक यूनिवर्सिटी के थ्रू आए हैं, प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी, जिनका कॉन्सेप्ट था कि आप आधा इंडिया में पढ़ोगे और आधा यहाँ पढ़ोगे, तो इसलिए वो आधा वाला पैसा नहीं दिया हुआ है.
Yes, correct.
ठीक है.
Otherwise
around
30,000, 40,000 euro. It's
20,000 यूरोस MBA की डिग्री के लिए आज के टाइम पे पकड़ के चलो. ठीक है. MBA जर्मनी में इज रफली अराउंड 1 ईयर का भी होता है, 1.5 ईयर्स का भी होता है, और 2 साल का MBA भी हो रहा है कहीं कहीं. डिफरेंस ये आ जाता है कि व्हाट ECTS 1 हैज. आपका कितने साल का था?
90 ECTS.
मतलब 1.5 का था.
Yeah.
राइट. आई हैव सीन इन प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज वहां पर 1 साल का MBA भी है. मतलब 1 सेमेस्टर की पढ़ाई और दूसरा सेमेस्टर आप थीसिस लिखते हो. तो अगर आप 1 साल पढ़ोगे तो आपको स्ट्रेट 60 क्रेडिट्स मिल जाएगा, 60 ECTS. जब भी आप MBA की यूनिवर्सिटी सिलेक्ट करोगे, ऑलवेज चेक कि कितना मेरे को क्रेडिट्स मिल रहा है, बिकॉज क्रेडिट से ये डिसाइड होता है कि कितना लंबा कोर्स है. 60 मीनिंग 1 ईयर का कोर्स, 90 मीन्स 1.5 ईयर्स का कोर्स, 120 मीन्स 2 साल का कोर्स है वो. ठीक है.